What's going on, guys? Chaseontwowheels here with my buddy Patty Rick. In today's episode of Superfast Setups, we're going old school versus new school. We are going to be connecting Sena's brand new 50s with the old school 10s.
That is my 10s, by the way.
It's a very old school 10s. I'm going to have to make sure Patty Rick gets sent home with a 50. All right, so Superfast Setups, we are not here to waste your time. We got enough fluff here on YouTube and behind these hoodies. So we're trying to cut it out for you guys. So, Patty Rick, how do we connect brand new versus brand old?
So, brand new versus brand old. This guy is closing in on being 8 years old now. I've had it for a good long time, and this guy came out basically last year, so they're super fresh. But to show you exactly how much they've changed over the past years, we'll show you what's exactly the same. So here on this guy, we've got our center button, we have our outer jog dial, and our phone button. We don't have any mesh buttons or anything like that. This is long before mesh was a thing. And on this guy, the 50S, we've got our spinny jog dial clicky boy. We've got our phone button on the back, our pop-up antenna, and our mesh button. We're not going to use the antenna or the mesh button on this video. We really don't need it. To turn these guys on, it's basically the same as it's always been. We'll press and hold the center button and the phone button at the same time. We'll get our blue lights lighting up. It'll flash red to indicate your battery level. And once these guys are up and running, we're simply going to put them into intercom pairing mode. So what you'll do to do that is press and hold the center button or the center of the jog dial for 5 seconds. You'll hear the voice prompt intercom pairing. Once they do, the 50 should auto-connect to the 10. In the event it doesn't, you can tap the center on the 50 and it'll connect right away. So let's give that a shot. Super easy. The 50 automatically connects to even the 10S, a super old technology as it pertains to Sena's lineup these days.
That was fast.
It's super easy. Super fast, super easy, super quick setups.
So guys, Superfast Setups, there you go. We've done all of these videos, and when we are doing them with the 50s,
it's amazing.
Is night and day. These need a review. All right, guys, that's it for us, Superfast Setups. Hopefully that helped you guys out. You guys get out there and ride, and we will see you guys on the next Superfast Setups. Patty Rick, we're out.
Peace.
How did...
I went that way.
Anyways, guys, that's it for Superfast Setups. That's Patty Rick. I'm Chaseontwowheels. If you guys want links for the stuff we talked about and connected in today's video, there will be links down below. If this video helped you guys out, like at a gas station or something like that, and you're just trying to connect all your stuff up, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys like motorcycle content, you probably should subscribe. Okay, we're going to leave out the way we came, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. You're that way. Okay, bye.